Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Jorasankor, Thakurgani, to Devendranath Tagore and Sarda Devi. He was a social reformer and was best known for his contribution to the field of art and literature. Today, we gather here to pay our tribute to his vision and works. His interest in literature resulted in the birth of a man who is still noted for his literary achievements. He has written many books, poetries, novels, songs, and many songs for which he has been honored and felicitated. He has also written a poem, Gitanjali, for which he has got a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1930. He has also composed the national anthem of India. Besides being a poet and a laureate, he was one of those social activists whose poems and books motivated people to unite against Britishers during freedom movement. Tagore's work gives a vivid description of joy, sorrow, love, affection, humanity, and all other possible emotions that dwell in the human mind. Today, we pay our tribute to the visionary who not only had a great impact in the Indian literature but also inspired many literary minds all over the world. Thank you.
Cordially request our Honorable Director Sir to light the lamp and pay floral tribute to the great persona.
Jai Gurudev. Respected teachers, respected parents, and my dear students. We are celebrating the birth anniversary of a great personality of global fame, international fame, who is the first recipient of the Nobel Prize. All of us might have heard he received the Nobel Prize for literature for his work called Gitanjali. It's a collection of the poems. Rabindranath, who is known as in different names, he is known as Kavi Guru, he is known as Gurudev, and in his writing he also had another name called Bhanu Singho. A versatile, a talented, one of the most gifted personality who composed his first poem when he was 7 to 8 years old. Simple poem, Jal Pode Pata Node. Rabindranath Tagore did not take much of formal education. He was admitted into the school formal education, but he did not take much of interest. So his primary education was the home schooling. One side he was the poet, the other side he was a novelist. He has written large number of novels. A dramatist, that is, he has written a lot of drama. The combination of his songs and drama there's a lot of such works which are there. He is a musician. You'll be surprised to know almost all the tunes for this Rabindra Sangeet. This tune, he is the one who is the composer of the music. He was a wonderful singer. His songs, if you search the internet, you will find Wikipedia. If you go Rabindranath Tagore Wikipedia, you will find Rabindranath Tagore singing in his voice. He is one of the very unique personality whose songs or the work, that the poems, have been adopted as the national anthem of not only India but also Bangladesh. You all know we have been singing this national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and also Amar Sonar Bangla, which is the national anthem of Bangladesh, now Bangladesh. Also, another information, the Sri Lankan national anthem also has taken or adopted a lot of thoughts from our national song, national anthem. He was also a fantastic artist. Fantastic artist. His works are, all these things came naturally. No one had taught him how to draw art. All of you are having an art teacher, but no one taught him. So, a versatile personality. He composed Gitanjali, which is a collection of poems. In English, it is called Offering to the God, Gitanjali. That was published in 1910, and he received the Gitanjali for his English version of the Gitanjali in the year 1913. He was a reformist, social reformist. He also participated in freedom movement of India. When there was a riot, he was very actively, he was there with the, spreading the message of the communal harmony with his songs and other things. So today we are celebrating this Rabindra Jayanti. I will urge all the students, and some of the parents are also here. আপনারা এখানে রয়েছেন, আপনারা, আমি অনুরোধ করব আপনাদের কি আপনারা রবীন্দ্রনাথের ছোট ছোট গল্প, because he is also a short story writer, ছোট ছোট গল্পের বই আর এনকারেজ করুন যাতে রবীন্দ্রনাথের রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত চর্চা হয় বাড়িতে, শোনে at least, which will enrich them intellectually, that will enrich them.
শাড়িগুলো তারা উমনে দিচ্ছায়, শাড়িগুলো রাখে আয়নায়, কোনো দোষ পাচ্ছে ধরে টুকে, নিজে তারা থাকে লোহার শিল, টাকা কড়িগুলো বলে রেখে দেয় খোলা জানালায়, মন দিয়ে তারা তারাটাই ধন্যবাদ।
सजनी रे रे ग ग म म प सजन सजन रात जाए एक कदम चार गया एक कदम निशान और दिल का
রবি মানে পড়াশোনা বসে গাছের তলায়, বাউল বাজায় একতারাটা শীতে পৌষ মেলায়। রবি মানে একলা চলা, না দিলে কেউ সারা, ফাগুন আনে কৃষ্ণচূড়া, মন যে পাগল পাড়া। রবি মানে আবির মাখা বসন্তে দোল খেলা, দিলে সারা মনের মানুষ ভাষা ও প্রেমের ভেলা। রবি মানে নাইট বর্জন, গণহত্যার বিরোধ, দেশের জন্য প্রার্থনা তার, অবধেরে দাও বোধ। রবি মানে নোবেল প্রাইজ, গীতাঞ্জলির তরে, অবোধ জ্ঞানের মূল্য বোঝে, করলো চুরি তারে। রবি মানে অথই সাগর, মাপা বড়ই কঠিন, যেদিকে যায় সীমা না পায় কুল কিনারা বিহীন। ধন্যবাদ।
सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं त्वमेव देव
Our highest aim in life. Rabindranath Tagore, born on 7th May 1861, was not only a composer, philosopher, or a social reformer, but a visionary whose thoughts